Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in operation management, Six Sigma. So it's a very important topic in that quality management also, Six Sigma. So what do you mean by Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a set of techniques and tools for process improvement. It was developed by first in Motorola in 1986. So the company Motorola only, the mobile, everyone know that, mobile communication. So Motorola in 1986, the Six Sigma was developed by Sir Bill Smith, the father of Six Sigma, introduced this quality improvement methodology to Motorola. Six Sigma is now an enormous brand in the world of corporate development. So, what is the history of Six Sigma? Since the 1920s, the word Sigma has been used by mathematicians and engineers as a symbol for a unit of measurement in product quality variation. So in the mid 1980s, engineers in Motorola in the US used Six Sigma, an informal name for an in-house initiative for reducing defects in production processes because it represented a suitably high level of quality. In the late 1980s, Motorola extended the Six Sigma methods to its critical business process, and significantly, Six Sigma became a formalized in-house branded name for the performance improvement methodology that is beyond purely defect reduction. In 1991, Motorola certified its first black belt Six Sigma experts, which indicates the beginning of the formalization of the aggregated training of Six Sigma methods. So in 1995, Six Sigma became well known after Mr. Jack Welch made it a central focus of his business strategy at General Electric, and today it's used in different sectors of industry. General Electric or GE is an American multinational conglomerate corporation incorporated in New York. By the year 2000, Six Sigma was effectively established as an industry in its own right, involving the training, consultancy, and implementation of Six Sigma methodology. So, what is the definition of Six Sigma? Six Sigma seeks to improve the quality of process output by identifying and removing the causes of defects. Six Sigma approach is a collection of managerial and statistical concepts and techniques that focus on reducing variation in process and preventing deficiency in product. The concept of variation states no two items will be perfectly identical. So simply we are saying that Six Sigma is nothing but without errors and mistakes. I mean 99.999. Yeah, 99.99999.6% of the product will be in pure and quality. So 3.4 only differed per million. So in a process that has achieved Six Sigma capability, the variation is small compared to the range of specification limit. A Six Sigma process is one in which 99.9999966% of the product manufacturer statistic is expected to be free of defects, 3.4 defects per million. Six Sigma is a very clever way of branding and packaging in many aspects of total quality management, TQM. Manufacturing methods of Six Sigma are used in batch production, job production, and mass production. So, what is a Six Sigma? Means the methodology, the project methodology. There are two types. One is DMAIC and DMADB. So, DMAIC is nothing but define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So, DMAIC is used for the projects aimed at improving an existing business process, and DMADB it's nothing but related to that. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So define, measure, analyze, development, and verify. It's used for projects aimed at creating new product or process design. So I already said. So what do you mean by define? So define the system, the voice of the customer and their requirements and the project goals specifically. So measure the key aspects of the current process and collect relevant data. So analyze whether we will do or not. So you're going to analyze the data to investigate and verify cause and effect relationship, determine what the relationship are, and attempt to ensure that all factors have been considered. Seek out root cause. What is the root cause of the problem of the defect under investigation? Improve or optimize the current process based upon data analysis using techniques such as design of experiment, Pokoyoki. Pokoyoki is nothing but without errors, error proofing, I mean mistake proofing, and standard work to create a new future state process, set up pilot runs to establish process capability. So finally, everything you have to control. So control the future state process, to ensure that any deviation from target are corrected before they result in defects. Implement control systems such as statistical process control, production boards and visual workplace, and continuously monitor the process. Next, DMA/DV, define, measure, analyze, design, and verify. So it's very important. So as usual, I said define and measure, and analyze to develop and design alternatives, and design and include alternative best suited for analysis in the previous step. So verify the design, set up as a pilot run. Pilot run is nothing but you are going to testing the process. So implement the production process and hand it over to the process owners. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all.